Look at Mommy Eva. Hi, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, I'm just about to hit Tori.
We don't hit each other.
Happy Dad. I love you, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
How hot is it?
Not really hot.
Not very hot? Okay, if you say
It's
so.
really hot. It's like we're in the desert.
It's too hot.
Yeah,
How hot is it, Eva?
I know.
It's cold? It's cold in here, huh? Okay, sit back down. You're too close. Mommy's driving.
I'm gonna buy something for Eva and Tori. Is Mommy driving? Hi, Tori, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
We got money too.
That poor dog is probably gonna die. The dog's gonna die. It's too hot.
No water?
No water. They got the best right there. Look at the shade. They've got the best. The best cabins in the shade.
We're going to the camping store.
You spend all your hard-earned money, right? Yeah, you got money.
Was that the green card?
We got 15.